And welcome to today's AXX chart of the day for the 26th of April 2023. Today we're looking at ALS Limited in the business technical support space, particularly involved in monitoring and measuring across a number of different sectors. Ticker code is ALQ. Let's have a look at the chart. And you can see here we've been really in strong uptrend since the back end of March. We had an earnings report which was very positive, which brought us up to this previous high from January at just around this $13 level. Today's price move looks significant. We've breached that resistance at 13.23. This is a high not seen since 2021, and we are looking very positive. Volume's not bad for this time of day. We are trading towards the high of the candle and looks as though there could be some upwards momentum in this stock, possibly up as far as $15 in the first instance. So one to watch, but most certainly looking very positive technically. Trade safe and see you again soon. Bye bye for now.